Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So we know Honda's been going through a lot of changes recently, especially with all the TSBs and the recalls they've been having. Well, here's a new move that they're doing that kind of shows you what the future is going to be like for them. We'll see. I'm not surprised just because everything that's been going on recently. So let me go ahead and share exactly what's going on with them. Like I said, a lot of change has been going on. We've been seeing a lot of problems coming up with Honda and the direction they're going. Well, this information that just came out will kind of explain what the future is going to be like. So Honda just announced that it's going to close at least one of its plants in China this year. And Honda is the second largest manufacturer in China. And the plant they're going to close is a plant that makes what they call ICE vehicles and then internal combustion engine vehicles. And we know that the future is going to be, they're kind of going toward hybrid and then it's going to be full electric eventually. But this kind of shows you that they're actually closing a whole plant down just because the demand's not there anymore. And they're saying this could happen as early as June this year, so in a few months. And that's not the only thing they're doing right now. They also are suggesting that they might go ahead and suspend the ICE vehicle production at another plant in China. To give you an idea, Honda has 6 vehicle assembly plants that operate in China right now. So they're going to close one and thinking about suspending operations at another one. So that would be 2 other plants out of the 6. Kind of a big deal just when you consider everything that's going on with them. You know, they kind of pulled out of the EV market. That's costing them a lot of money because they devoted a lot of research and development for that. And then just right here, you kind of notice all the issues going on. People have problems with them, like major problems too, not just little things going on with them. So it kind of makes you wonder what the future is going to be like in a couple of years here with them kind of downsizing. And we even see it back here with all the models being discontinued. You know, there's a lot less options out there. And they have some figures here just to give you an idea of how it's kind of dwindling down. So in 2019, in China, they had 1.57 million units that were produced. And then last year, 682,000. So a huge difference, less than half. So you can see kind of the trend that's going on and why they're closing up shops, because the demand isn't there. It could be people are just going to different vehicles, different manufacturers because of the issues and the reliability that they seem to be lacking recently, or people are just not buying new cars in general. So it's kind of a combination of both, I think, just with how expensive everything is right now. But again, I just want to share this information with you to give you an idea of, a couple years from now, it could look a lot different. Even back here at your local dealer. You might have been noticing it recently too. Dealers closing up, a lot less inventory on their lot. You don't have all these options. You can just go and pick a car. And it kind of shows you the bigger picture here of how things are going to be different. So I just want to keep you guys in the loop. It's always important to know kind of if you're going to invest your money into a company and buy a car, kind of the outlook on them. And so far, a lot of things I've been seeing kind of shows it going in the opposite direction that you want to see a company going. So again, I want to keep you guys in the loop. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.